Hey everyone, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you how to do a bobble stitch. A bobble is where you work 5 double crochets into a single stitch and then you'll connect them together at the top. When working your stitches, you'll leave the last loop of each double crochets on your hook before connecting them all at the end. So I'm going to start by making my first double crochet. I'm going to yarn over and then insert my hook into the stitch. Yarn over and pull through to bring up a loop. Now I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through just the first 2 loops. Now I'm going to yarn over again, but instead of pulling through the last 2 loops to complete the double crochet, I'm only going to pull it through that first loop. So just that first loop, and I'm going to leave the last loop of the double crochet on my hook. So there's my first double crochet, and I'm going to repeat this to make my second double crochet. So I'm going to insert my hook back into the same stitch, yarn over and pull through just the first 2 loops, and now I'm going to yarn over again, but I'm only going to pull through that first loop and leaving the last loop of that double crochet on my hook. And now I'm just going to repeat for 3 more double crochets. So here are my 5 double crochets, and now you should have 6 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. I'm going to push all my stitches outwards towards me, and then I'm going to yarn over and just make a chain to secure the top a little bit more. Pull the yarn tight, and that's how you do a bobble stitch. I hope you guys find this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.